y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is another Wantable unboxing and try on. Wantable I've been doing for, this is maybe my fourth, fifth-ish box. And Wantable, I'm pretty sure I've said this before, in my opinion is very comparable to Trunk Club in quality, number of pieces, and prices. Wantable also has this thing called the stream where you can go in, I play on it all the time, play on it. I request things all the time. It's like a never-ending stream of things in your size based on your preferences, and you can go in and say, send me this, don't send me this kind of thing. And if those things are available, then your stylist will send them to you. And I like that because I feel like I'm getting to pick out what comes in my box. We're going to start with my favorites in this box, and this is a black tank top by Wantable. I guess they have their own brand as well. So it looks like just a plain black flowy tank top, which I like. It's got the thick straps. Y'all know I've said that so many times recently. You can wear a proper bra with it. But then in the back, it's got this like slit. So it's open from probably a little bit below my bra down. And I think that is so cute for summer for some reason. Imagine this paired with a cute pair of like fun colored shorts. I have a pair. Let me go and grab them and y'all tell me what you think. Hang on. So I got these probably last year from Rose Gal. I've never worn them. They still have the tag on them because I don't know how to style them. They're just like these funky but cute like casual shorts. How cute would this tank top be with these shorts for just like a fun summer outfit? This is called the crossback tank top in black, size 2X. It's $48. Now let's talk about a pair of denim jeans. These, when I put them on, they felt like butter. Like, they were just so nice. They are a little bit stiff, but they just slid on and buttoned like perfectly. I know that this brand of jean is a little bit expensive too, so I'm kind of nervous to look at the price. These are the brand JAG Jeans. I wonder if it's got a style on them. I'm sure the paper does. JAG Jeans, the Carter Girlfriend, in a size 20. So these do have a little bit of distressing on them, you can see. And then they're cuffed at the bottom. I think girlfriend jeans and boyfriend jeans, here's my theory on the difference. Boyfriend jeans are baggy. Girlfriend jeans are snug. If I'm correct, give this video a thumbs up because I think that's how it works these days. But these, yeah, fit really, really well. I kind of like this extra thick waistband too for some reason. I don't know. I thought it was really flattering. These aren't high-waisted at all. They come probably belly button or a little bit lower. Yeah, like butter to put these on, but let's see prices. They're $94. They're called the Carter Girlfriend Thorn Blue JAG Jeans. $94. This next top, look at this pattern. How pretty for summertime. This is a CAMUTO sleeveless top. It's black with... Cash just walked in here with a pair of Brian's underwear. Ma'am, what are you doing? Let's get back to the video. Really pretty black with yellow flowers on it. It does have a little bit of a collar on it. I like this. However, the last time I'm pretty sure I had one of these, the same brand and style tops, I felt like it was a little bit, not enough V-neck, I guess. Like it was a little bit weird on the neckline. Also, the armpit hole I don't think is big enough. Like it sits, this bottom part sits right on the bottom of my arm. So it's a little bit uncomfortable. I feel like it would kind of rub you throughout the day. But this is really pretty. This could be really pretty for work if you threw on like just a little cardigan or something just for TV purposes, because when you're not on TV, you're hot, so you don't want sleeves. You know what I'm saying? This is called the Ditzy Floral Sleeveless V-neck blouse in rich black, Vince Camuto, size 2X, $69. This one is from Cut From The Cloth in a size 2X. I love this color. Okay, so Taren 10 years ago, we're going to say Taren 10 years ago would have like snagged this shirt up, no questions asked, and worn it all the time. Because it's this like really thin material, so you'd wear a cami underneath it. It's got sleeves that roll 3/4 sleeves. It's the perfect length. It buttons up. Like I can't tell you how many shirts exactly like this that I owned. I probably had one in every color and pattern that you could imagine. I would hit this sale at like TJ Maxx. But fast forward to Taren now, not really my style anymore, but I do think it's pretty. This is called the Jasmine Floral Blouse in Blossom Journey, size 2X, cut from the cloth, $68. I'll tell you, the ones I used to get from TJ Maxx were like $12.99. It's funny that I got this next top because I believe the last box, I kept this exact same top in like a wine color. because I thought it was so pretty. So it's just this spaghetti strap type black tank top. It's from the brand MICHEL Studio in a size US 20. It does have adjustable straps. It's like a silky material, but it's kind of a little bit more snug on the bust and a little bit flowy in the stomach and hip area. I think these are great for pairing. I think it's also really pretty if you had like a pair of cutoff shorts that weren't snug, like on your legs or your stomach or anything, that weren't fitted, to kind of tuck the front of this in just a little bit into your like baggy shorts and wear it with like a big hat and big earrings and some sandals, I think would be really pretty on vacation. However, I don't think that I need another one. Let me grab the one that I do have. So this is the color that I ended up keeping a couple of boxes ago. I've never worn it, or haven't worn it yet, I should say, because I just need like the right pair of shorts to pair it with. But this color, I don't know, I just love this color. So this top is called the Solid Crop V-Neck Swing Cami in black, $39. Next thing in the box, we have a pair of shorts. These are VIGOSS, size 20. I wonder what, oh, it says Marley short. Okay, these fit really great too. They're not high-waisted, but honestly, yesterday, Brian and I went, where did we go? We went somewhere yesterday. So I pulled out almost every pair of shorts that I own to go through and pick out what kind of denim ones I wanted to wear. And I have probably 6 pair that still have tags on them, just like this, that I've gotten in boxes. And I just haven't gotten a chance to wear them because we don't really get a chance to do that much stuff. So while I like these, I absolutely don't need them. I actually have a pair of VIGOSS. They may be this exact same short because they do have a little bit of a cuff on them. And I tried them on and they fit great and they're cute. So I don't need these. These are called the Marley Mid-Rise Distressed Frayed Cuff Short in medium wash. VIGOSS is the brand, 20 is the size, $58. So not a bad price, honestly. I might should keep these. So the last thing in my box is this top, which I really like. However, I don't know if it's meant to be off the shoulder. I think it is, but I think my arm is maybe a little bit too wide. Like I can't get it to go down far enough. It's also that brand Beach Lunch Lounge in a size 2X. Y'all know I just found a top in this brand at Marshall's. Yeah, for what was it, $14.99, $16.99, and I've worn it. It's not even hanging anymore because I've worn it so many times. And I love it. So I'm kind of hesitant to pay full price for this when I know I can find that brand at places like Marshall's and TJ Maxx. However, granted, at those places, it's not guaranteed. It's kind of, you go and you pick through, you may find something, you may not. But I'm really starting to love this brand, and I think this is a really pretty, it's linen material, but it's a play on denim, I feel like. And so I think this could be really cute with some white denim jeans or little denim shorts. This is called the Gayle Top in Ocean Club 2X. It's $69. So it's just a little bit on the high end for me. Like I said, when I know I can find this brand at places like TJ Maxx and Marshall's. So now that you've seen everything in the box, let's talk price. My total for all items is $445. You do get your styling fee credited toward whatever you choose to keep, which is $20 plus tax, so it's $21.60. So what I absolutely will be keeping, no questions asked, is that plain black tank with the slit in the back. I think is gorgeous, and I think it's so fun. Plus, I've got those like funky colored shorts that I don't know what to wear with them, and I think that that black tank top would be perfect for it. The denim shorts, let me know what y'all think about the shorts. I really like them, but I literally just said I don't need them, but I do like them. Okay, so that's a wrap on this video. As always, I will leave a direct link to sign up for Wantable in the description box down below. I'll also go online, and if I can, I'll find links for all of these individual pieces. That way, if you see something you like, you can get it directly there if you don't want to sign up for Wantable. Alright, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.